A person scrolling through Facebook on their phone. Facebook has become an integral part of many people's daily lives. But what if the popular social media platform was banned? What would the consequences be? A group of friends sitting in a coffee shop, with one person looking down at their phone in disappointment. Without Facebook, people would lose a major way to stay connected with friends and family. Socializing in person or over the phone and email would become more important. A small business owner looking at a decrease in sales on a chart. Businesses would also be affected, as they would lose a valuable tool for advertising and connecting with customers. Many small businesses rely on Facebook to reach new customers and promote their products or services. A news anchor on TV talking about a political rally that was organized on Facebook. Facebook is also a platform for political organizing and activism. The banning of Facebook could have significant effects on political campaigns and movements. A person looking at a blank screen with the message "This website is not available." Without Facebook, people may turn to other social media platforms, but the loss of data and connections on the banned platform would be irreplaceable. People gathering in a park holding signs that read "Bring back Facebook." The banning of Facebook would also prompt widespread protests and campaigns to bring back the platform, as people have grown dependent on it for communication and networking. A person sitting alone in a room, staring at a blank wall. The banning of Facebook would have far-reaching consequences on our personal and professional lives. It's important to consider the impact of such a move and weigh the pros and cons. A couple sitting at a dinner table, one person is looking at their phone and the other is looking at them in disappointment. Without Facebook, people may find themselves spending more time with loved ones and less time on their phones. But the absence of Facebook may also cause strain on relationships, as it's a major platform for communication and sharing of daily life events. A journalist typing on a computer, looking frustrated. Facebook is also a major source of news and information for many people. Without it, journalists and media outlets would lose a significant portion of their audience, leading to a decline in revenue and increased difficulty in reaching readers. A person trying to access Facebook on their phone but getting a message "This website is blocked." The banning of Facebook would also lead to censorship and internet censorship, as people would try to find ways to access it, and governments would have to take steps to block it. A group of people gathered in a public square, they are holding signs that read "Facebook brings us together." Many people have formed communities and support groups on Facebook, and the banning of Facebook would lead to the loss of these communities and support systems for people who rely on them. A person sitting alone in a room, staring at a blank wall. Without Facebook, many people would feel a sense of isolation and loneliness, as they lose the connections and sense of belonging that the platform provided.